Okay, guys. So welcome to the class. And few minutes we will do. First, we will do the meditation, and then we will start with our right gratitude for 5 points, and then we will start ahead with the class. So let's sit for a small meditation. Close your eyes. Okay, Ritu, fine. Close your eyes. Relax. Cross your hands and fingers. And let's start with a beautiful energizing breath. Inhale at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. While inhaling, expand your lungs. I want you to feel that you're expanding your lungs. And pause. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale through your mouth. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will start. Inhale at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Expand your lungs. Pause for 4, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 5, 3, 4, 5. While exhaling, see your lungs contracting. Again, this is a beautiful energizing breath meditation where your lungs are expanded to get more oxygen, filling your lungs with more oxygen. As you expand your lungs and you pause, the air inside the lungs get more oxygenated, and as you release, all the toxins from your body is releasing. Inhale at the count of 4, 3, pause for 4, and exhale for 5. This will also relax your mind. As your mind isn't counting, it is concentrated on the lungs and your breath. No thought will enter your body and mind. It will help your mind also engage in some fruitful activity, and it will also help your lungs get more oxygen. Keep on repeating this, counting on 3. In breath at 3, pause at 4, and exhale at 5. Your entire concentration should be on your lungs and the count. Counting. Inhalation at the count of 3. Pause with 4 counts, and exhalation through your mouth with 5 counts. Feel the sensations that are happening in your body. Feel all that which is happening inside of you, all the sensations. Are you feeling cold or warm? Are you feeling disturbed, irritated? Are you feeling exhausted? Whatever is coming up, I want you to take a mental note of it. is showing up, take a mental note of it. And let go with your out breath. Release that, whatever is coming inside of you. It can be pleasurable sensations also. But remember, your body and your mind has to be empty. Whatever is coming in, let it go. Whatever is showing up, take a mental note of it and let it go. Inhale, expanding your lungs. Pause. And exhale, contracting your lungs and chest. Picture, visualize, imagine your lungs are feeling so, getting all the attention, the concentration of the energies, the concentration of the beautiful breath. We are now giving importance to the lungs, and remember, what you give importance will grow. We are putting in more and more oxygen in our lungs. We are breathing consciously, putting in more oxygen inside the lungs. And as you exhale, all the impurities, all the toxins, all that which does not deserve you is leaving your entire space. I am breathing pure air. This pure air is going inside my lungs. It is rejuvenating. I breathe fresh air. I breathe in and I breathe out. I am under the divine light and the divine guidance. I know how important now the free air is to me. Everything that I had taken granted for, I now know its value. I am so grateful and blessed to breathe pure normal air. The nature is so kind enough to give this air. I am so grateful for my life with this pure air. I am those blessed ones for not struggling, because I am in pure divine light. And I know that every breath is so important. I now take care of my lungs. I breathe in fully and I exhale fully, knowing that, yes, each and every breath is so precious, so precious, so precious. Slowly and gently, with this note, you can rub your palms and cup your eyes. And while your eyes are cupped, you can open them, taking the energy, more energy. Energy reaching out now inside your body through the lungs and to your entire body. And with a grateful smile, come back to this moment, open your eyes, and I want you to start writing 5 gratitude points for the day. In which first gratitude I would like you all to write for the gratitude of the fresh air that we have, so that we are having a life with it. Thank you for the lungs. You can just write both together, that your lungs are operating properly, breathing in the fresh air, and you're so grateful for it. And then you can write other 4. Preeti is done. Dina has done. Bhavani ji, Ritu, have you all completed? Ritu has done. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. हो गया.
हाँ जी. Archana is still writing. Pinky, Manyar, have you completed, Pinky ji? Okay. Okay. So guys, today we are going to learn something new. I have not yet taught in the class. It is actually not new. It is a very ancient technique that I'm going to teach you all. And I want you all to practice this technique because there are two reasons. First, to heal yourself. Secondly, when you start healing yourself, when you go about healing yourself every day, you will get powers to heal others. Okay, now we do not have to ask everyone that do you need healing, do you need healing, do you need healing. We know the world is facing a grave situation, especially India. Okay, so we as the torch bearers, we have the light within us, we all have the light within us, but we know, we are aware that the light is prevalent within all of us. So why not distribute that light? Why not turn on the flash button and give the light to the entire country where many people are suffering? Mostly the cases, it's a good news that from 425 today, I saw in the news the number, it's to 326. So in 1 week 1 lakh cases have reduced, so it's a good thing. But then to the world requires more of us, because a stage of crisis, a stage of depression, a stage of passive lifestyle is going to come up because of this. People will not know where to start from, how to cope up again. People will not know how to start their life with what business they have gone for, what businesses they have gone in losses, and how they have lost their confidence. Okay, the women, they have they are now mentally disturbed because of their family situations. Okay, so the entire earth system has gone for a toss, and especially we all are women, so I'm giving more emphasis on women. Of course there are men are also involved, but women who are not used to seeing their husbands and children the entire day in the house, they had some time of their own in their house, and being with children and husband the entire day. Same goes for the husband. There are moments of irritations, frustrations, anger, clashes. The highest divorce rate has happened in this 1.5 years. Highest divorce cases has happened in 1.5 years, because of now husband and wife have got closer. Likewise, the opposite is also true, where the husband and wife did not have time to spend with each other. They got together with their family and they are spending time. But we have to see the scenario of the extreme, where divorce cases are happening in the highest. So what do? There are many people coming, and they do not know that they have the light within them to heal themselves. So what can we do? Start from the family. Start from your own people. Start being a torch to them. Start being a positive motivation to them. And start asking, do you need any help? I can provide you. And I know they will surely, come and ask you, what different are you doing? What different things are you doing which is making you so positive in these type of gloomy times? And you can say that you are following divine laws of keeping yourself positive, healing every day, and doing mental work. So I want you to I wanted to give you, we have some time. So if possible, I will give 2 techniques. If possible, we will just do one. Okay. I want you all to practice with me. Okay. Now technique, this technique is called energy healing. And this technique has come to me by the divine guidance. I have not learned it anywhere. I have not read about it anywhere till after I started practicing for 2 years. After 2 years, I read in one of the books. Okay, and I really don't remember the name of the book also. So, what name I had given to this energy, this healing is energy healing. The same concept I had read in the name of energy healing in some book in 2016. So I know that when we are all connected with the divine energies, divine in some way or other will show up to us, and it will send to torch bearers, light bearers like us, the capacity to heal others. It's a beautiful kindness, it's a beautiful quality to show kindness to others, to show a humble heart that we are there. Likewise, who all are working in office, like Archana is working in office, Preeti is working in office, and Pinky is also working in office. They also can show through their attitude that yes, kindness is there. It is not gone yet. In office politics also, if you are kind and humble, you can set an example for your own colleagues. Okay, so this is an energy. I would say it's not energy healing, but energy washing. Okay, हम सब ने कपड़े धोए हैं, हम सब ने धोबी घाट के भी कपड़े धोते हुए देखे हैं, हमारे पास वॉशिंग मशीन भी है अभी. अब हम क्या करेंगे? Now we are going to enter into a zone where we will have a divine washing machine with us. Which will not only wash our dirt from inside, like rub karke, it will wash our all the toxins, and it will dry also. It's a self-drying machine. We do not have to dry ourselves outside, but it's a self-drying machine, and it's a beautiful meditation that I'm going to teach you. Let me on some beautiful music for that. First, I will explain you what it is. See, energy healing, we have seen energy. We all have known energy. We all have felt energy in our palms, right? You all have felt energy in your palms. You know that energy exists, so that I don't have to teach you that there is energy. Okay? Now, what we are going to do for this technique is like, we all have to sit like how we are sitting, cross legs, or you can sit on a chair also, and then you don't have to cross your palms. Okay, first you all can listen to me. So you have to keep your palms upright, okay, and you all can keep your palms on the lap. Simple. Now what we will do, when this palm is kept on the lap, and when we are concentrating the light from the universe, okay, when we are going to concentrate the light from the universe over here, okay, we are going to concentrate the light in our palms also. Like you will imagine that light is entering both your palms. Your palms may feel heavy. It can feel like you're having some goosebumps. It may feel tickling, tingling, anything. You may start having, little pain also. But just do bear with it. It's not going to be a very huge pain. Okay, that means that you are now receiving the energy. That means that only still. Okay, now what you will do, the light is how the light is entering now. The light is entering. Now imagine a whirlpool. आप लोग ने सबने वॉशिंग मशीन देखी है किस तरीके से काम करती है? ऐसे whirlpool जैसे चलता है, 1 सेकंड के लिए रुकता है, 2 सेकंड के लिए रुकता है, फिर वापस ऐसे चलता है, फिर वापस ऐसे घूमता है, then anti-clockwise. Same way the light is moving in your body. Okay, it is entering the crown chakra. It is washing away. Now it is up to you how you will move it, how many times you will move it, how much you will pause, how many anti-clocks you will take. Are you understanding till here? लाइट आपके क्राउन चक्र पे आ रही है, वर्लपूल में अब ये एंटी क्लॉकवाइज या क्लॉकवाइज रोटेट हो रही है, फिर ये 1 सेकंड का पॉज लेके वापस ये एंटी क्लॉकवाइज हो रही है, फिर 1-2 सेकंड का पॉज लेके वापस एंटी क्लॉकवाइज घूम रही है. अब यहाँ पर एक चीज आपको अपने आप आएगी, जहां जहां आपके ब्लॉक्स हैं, जहां जहां आपको स्कैनिंग अपने आप होगी, डोंट वरी अबाउट इट। जहां जहां आपको लगता है कि आप रुक गए हो, एक सेकंड के लिए रुक गए हो, वो मूव नहीं हो रहा, समझ जाओ आपका ब्लॉक वहां है। ओके, देयर इज अ ब्लॉक। सो व्हाट यू विल डू, you will ask, now this is the trick, you will ask for some more energy, like you know how we rub with that brush, or how we do the scrubbing. You will ask for more energy in the form of light, and you will see the light moving either vertically or either horizontally. Okay, like how we brush, how we wash, we rub our clothes, understanding. So that part is rubbing vigorously, and then again you will move in the clockwise and in the anti-clockwise direction till your feet. Okay, now what will happen, the washing has taken place. Okay, then all the residue, जो कचरा हम नीचे निकालते हैं, okay, all the residue is now going to the mother earth. Okay, now मदर अर्थ में हमने भेज दिया. Now what will the mother earth do? Mother earth will convert that kachra. Okay, energy cannot be eliminated. Energy will always be transmuted. Transmuted means it will change its form. Okay, so what will mother earth do? Mother earth will change all that toxins into a beautiful loving light. Now loving light can be in any color that you desire. It can be in the form of pink color, it can be in the form of yellow, white, whatever comes to you in the meditation. Okay, then mother earth is going to send you that light. Now when that light is going to come in your body from your feet, you will feel as if you are getting oxygenated. कुछ बहुत ही हवा आ रही है, like it is drying up that the entire wash जब हमने किया है, it is drying your entire body. Drying means you will start feeling cold. You will start feeling like some coldness or some warmness also. Everything is interdependent. You will start feeling either warmness or either coldness in your body, until here you will feel. Okay, and then again you will come to your heart center. I will guide you all, don't worry. From your heart center, what you will do? From your heart center, you are going to throw this light into this world, universe, and to some specific persons okay, some specific persons that you are going to heal, who has asked you for healing, or whom they whom wants to get healed. If you know a neighbor is in the hospital, if you have some neighbor who is in the hospital, you can send that light. If you have a family member who is not good, you can send that light and see that person bathing in that light. It's bathing up and down. The movement has to be like this, bathing up and down. जैसे हम नहीं करते, खंगालते हैं कपड़े को, ऐसे उछालते हैं, फिर हम उसको ऐसे ऐसे बाल्टी में करते हैं, ऐसे bathe. This is all washing technique. Okay, it's bathing up and down, and then you will see that he's in divine, or he or she is in divine light, and then again take back the light. After washing him or her, you can take that light back in your heart center and surround yourself in that bubble. Okay, surround yourself in that bubble. Got it? This is a beautiful technique. Now let's do it, because I want you all to just feel, experience it. We all are healers. When we are in this space, we all are, and everyone has the capacity to heal. Understand that no one is superior, no one is inferior. We all are one. It's that someone is more aware, someone is less aware, and someone is not aware at all. It is their karma. But we are on the other side. We are on the brighter side, where we are more aware of things. So why not create awareness starting from our house, our society? Okay, I want you all to be that inspiration. Okay, guys. So now let's start. Any questions? You can raise your hands. I will unmute you. or shall we start? It's going to be very wonderful, guys, when I give you this guided, and then you will feel the change within yourself. Okay, now again, now we will sit up straight. Remember to be seated like this. Your spine should be erect and your hands should be faced upwards to the sky, and your on your thighs. Okay, and relax. Your spine should be straight but not erect like this. Okay, you should be softly straight so that you are comfortable. Okay, now prior to this, you can have an intention of calling your spirit guides or your angels or your gurus or the light of the universe. You can do that also. That's optional. Okay, but universe will send it anyhow. Intention matters. Okay, now let's close our eyes. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Start taking beautiful inhaling breath, where when you inhale, you see a beautiful light entering your body through your nose, and this light is going to your throat and reaching out each and every part of your body. And as you exhale, a mechanism is starting in your own body where a light is received and the darkness is thrown out. The light is being received and the darkness is being thrown out. Imagine now a beautiful light, keeping an intention of healing myself and others. In this space, you can take your name as well as the name of the person that you're healing, keeping an intention. This light is entering in my crown chakra, healing me, and you can take the name of the others. Imagine a beautiful white colored light is entering your crown chakra. This light is coming with slight force because it wants to wash down away all your memories, all your negative memories and toxins. As this light is entering your crown chakra, this light is converting itself into a whirlpool, going round and round in clockwise direction. And as it is going round and round, this whirlpool has started now entering on your face. Imagine a whirlpool of this light is going around your entire face, cleaning off, washing off all the toxins from your head, scalp, hair, eyes, nose, cheeks, lips, ears. It's now taking a pause, and now the whirlpool is now moving in anti-clockwise direction with the force which is now gentle for you. It is not so harsh. It is a force that your body and your mind can bear it. Like how a washing machine operates and how the water moves in the washing machine. See this light also moving around you. Now it is going in anti-clockwise direction on your throat. All the hurt, pain, guilt, sadness, all the blocks are getting removed. If you feel that something is blocking this, the light has got stuck, you can ask for more light by breathing in more deeply so that the light is being received more in this part and a gush of light is sent by the universe, erasing away all the toxins. Likewise, this light is now again taking a pause and moving itself in the clockwise direction, rubbing your shoulders, cleaning your upper arms, your lower arms, your palms, your fingers. Wow, this type of bathing has never been happened. This type of washing, energetic washing, the divine karmic cleansing has never been done before. See yourself bathing, your body bathing inside this light, being washed away with all the bright and light energies of the universe. Keep taking away all the toxins now down. See the light now taking a pause and going into anti-clockwise direction around your chest, your heart, your lungs. See them getting energized, all the pain, grief, sadness being washed away, all the heart is being cleaned, all the lungs has been purified. See your lungs pumping, your heart pumping beautifully. See your lungs breathing in more as if a new space has been created. Now, take a pause. A vital part of our body, the stomach, where all the gases, all the acids, all the enzymes are stored in the form of emotions. See the light in your own direction, clockwise or anti-clockwise, as you wish. Now I want you to breathe in more so that this whirlpool is taking away all the dirt, all the stored emotions from there. It may feel like something is hurting, something is paining, but please be with it. Some washing is taking place after many years. Now, take a pause and turn on this direction into clockwise or anti-clockwise in your reproductive organs, where many memories of abuse must have taken place. Many memories of your pregnancy, of your childhood have taken place, and see those memories getting washed away, getting brushed away. You may feel some pain, some fear, some anxiety, just wash it away in that whirlpool. Now let's go down to the thighs, both the thighs. Take a pause and then turn on the direction as to your desire. Dense energies, laziness being washed away. The knees, related to your parents, forgiveness with your parents. Just see them. If any blocks are there in your knees, you have problems of advancing in forgiving your mother, your father. See that getting washed away. Pour in more energies if required. This is the time of energetic cleansing and washing. Now, Take this energy down to your legs, your ankles, your feet, your toes. The ability to take the decisions and advance towards those decisions. The ability to move forward with courage and confidence. All the fear towards your advancement of this life, all the memories related to fear and anxiety is being washed away. Now I want you to energetically open the soles of your feet and see 2 taps being created on the soles of your feet, energetic taps. I want you to energetically open those taps and let all the dirt, all the toxins release to the Mother Earth now. This can be in the form of muddy liquid, dirty liquid, black liquid, red liquid, any liquid of gaudy color filled with dirt. This is the energetic cleansing which is going in your body. Let it flow, let it release, let it flow. Mother Earth has the capacity to take in, so let it flow. Let it flow. Release, release, release. Empty, empty, empty yourself. Wash away, clean your karmic clothes, clean your energetic clothes. Now, the tap is empty. This energetic tap is empty. Now, the energetic taps are being melted away and taken by the universe. And you see 2 beautiful holes developing on the soles of your feet. These are energetic holes which have the possibility, which have the capacity to suck in. The energies that you have sent into the Mother Earth now are now transmuting themselves into energy of love, light. And Mother Earth is now sending this energy in the form of a beautiful pink ray colored light or any light which is coming to you. These holes are now sucking this energy light from the Mother Earth. And now this light is started entering your feet. You will feel a warm sensation or a cold sensation. Whatever it is right for you. This light is now entering your legs, giving you that feeling of warmth or coldness. This light is now entering your knees, filling your knees with compassion and love. It is filling your thighs with lightness. It is filling your groin, your reproductive organs with all the high self-esteem and self-love energies. It is filling your stomach with beautiful capacity to take right decisions. Be humble, be emotionally independent, to eat right. It is filling your chest and your lungs with the right kind of air, the purified air. It is filling your heart with utmost love and compassion, humility for all. It is filling your arms with the decision to do the right things. It is filling your throat with the capacity to be honest and be creative and fight for the right justice for yourself and others. It is filling your entire face and head with the beautiful capacity to be in wisdom, to look beautiful inside out, And it is filling the scalp and hair with beautiful, luxurious energies where you feel so light and so beautiful. This light is again now going towards the heart center. And as it reaches the heart center, a boom, a beam of light is now thrown away from you to the entire universe. See yourself being the torchbearer of this world, spreading this light around the universe and to those people you know who need special care and healing. See the entire universe being washed away in this beautiful light. See that person getting rinsed in that light, up and down, down and up. See the universe, the earth restoring its energies. See that person restoring his or her energies, being more active, healthy, being loved. And now it's time to take all the extra energies within your heart again. And as this energy enters your heart, you create a big bubble around you. You are immersed in this beautiful bubble. Where you are divinely protected. You have a beautiful and a strong aura. And you are in optimum health. Let's thank now the universe, your guide, your guru, your angel. Let's thank this divine light for being with us, healing us, washing away all the dirt and toxins. Let this divine light guide us through our best known path. I am healed. The world is healed. I am healed. You can take the name of that person whom you are sending that healing. I am healed. XYZ is healed. We are in the divine light of this universe. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Slowly and gently. Slowly and gently. You can rub your palms and cup your eyes with the intention that all the energy is going through your eyes into your being. Space. Open your eyes. Feeling revived, blessed, wonderful, active. And knowing that something is healed within you. You might feel some emotional breakouts, or you might have some sort of crying or maybe feeling emotional. But do know that it's a very powerful technique. And this has been channeled by the divine to me. Maybe I am the vehicle. Yes, guys. Okay, guys, how was your experience? And I want to hear from you. How did you feel? One by one, in very few sentences, I will start from Neeti.
Yes, it was wonderful, wonderful, and speechless. Actually, जब वो पूरा churning हो रहा था ना, I was feeling vomiting. एकदम लग रहा था पूरा vomit हो जाएगा अभी.
कर देना चाहिए था आपको जाके, you know, some toxins would have come out instantly.
Okay, it was wonderful.
Thank you, thank you. Harpreeti, how did you feel?
अमेजिंग. चेस्ट के बाद आई वॉज टोटली ब्लैंक एंड जब मुझे होश आया तब फीट का चल रहा था. एंड वन गुड थिंग, मुझे महाअवतार बाबा जी के दर्शन हुए, इसलिए मैं एकदम ब्लैंक थी. So I was totally blank after the chest and I came back when you said about the feet. वो दो spot बोला तब मैं वापस आई actually. So for me it was amazing, you know, it was very amazing. I could sense, I could feel light whole around my body as if I am in the light, you know. Chest के बाद तो I was totally in the light. So for me it was very amazing.
Thank you so much. Renu ji.
It was a very wonderful meditation, and in this region, below this, I was feeling that there is some blockage in me, near heart or in this area, not root chakra.
Okay.
And in the end, I could see Ganesh ji.
Okay, so your Ganesha is the sign of new beginnings, and it's the sign of root chakra also. Something new beginning and root chakra. So whatever is resembling to you, you can take that note of it. Okay.
I saw 2 images of Lord Ganesha.
Wow. So maybe some new beginnings are in store for you, Renuji.
Yeah, I'm planning also something.
Good. All the best, Renuji.
Thank you.
Beena.
It was wonderful. मुझे तो पूरा ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे मिडिल में हम लोग गए ना, आपने बोला कि जैसे हार्ट पे आएंगे हम लोग तो बूम करेंगे, जैसे बूम हुआ तो माय होल बॉडी वाज लाइक फीलिंग हॉट. इतना मतलब तेज, जैसे वो ब्लूम हुआ ना वैसे इतना तेज निकल के और पूरा बॉडी वार्म हो गया. तो देन उसके बाद मतलब जैसे जैसे कराते गए वैसे मुझे मतलब जो आपने बोला ना वो बूम करते जो एनर्जी जाएगा सभी को, तो जिस पर्सन को मैंने फील किया डायरेक्ट वही पर्सन सामने से जैसे जैसे हवा में दोनों उड़ने लगे मेरे पास. और आपने बोला जो उसको जो एनर्जी जाएगा उसको जो हीलिंग जाएगा वो दोनों को मिला. और मतलब और जैसे आपने बोला था कि आपके जो गार्जियन एंजल जो आपको आएंगे, तो मैंने मेरे पापा को फील किया और उन्होंने उन दोनों को ब्लेसिंग कर रहे थे कि अब कुछ नहीं होगा. और मैं भी वहीं पर चारों जैसे एक क्या बोलते हैं उसको, 2 पर्सन जिसको हील कर रहे और मैं और जो एंजल जो पापा है वो चारों ऐसे हवा में जैसे हम लोग बूम कर रहे थे वैसे राउंड एंड राउंड. और देन आफ्टर धीरे धीरे हम हीलिंग के पास आए. देन आफ्टर मतलब हीलिंग होते होते हम लोग मतलब वापस आए और धीरे से जैसे जैसे आपने हाथ को रब करके जो बोला ना, तब धीरे से जैसे बॉडी की पूरी टेम्परेचर डाउन हुआ. तभी थोड़ी देर के लिए तो पूरी बॉडी टेम्परेचर हाई हो गया था.
Awesome बीना जी, बहुत ही अच्छा आपका एक्सपीरियंस था. अर्चना. Yes. Thank you Beena.
It was a wonderful experience. I mean to say white light तो दिख ही रही थी. Archangel Michael I could feel and also मतलब ठंडा हवा का, कोई बार एकदम ठंडा हवा आ रहा, कोई बार एकदम गर्मी लग रही थी. और जब डर्ट भी निकलने को मतलब जो ग्राउंड में बोला तो भी इट वाज लाइक फ्लोइंग एवरीथिंग. थोड़ा हार्ट पे प्रेशर लग रहा था और हेडेक.
Okay, so Archana, you have to heal yourself every day now with this, you know.
I can't hear you.
2 blocks with the heart and the head, so you have to heal yourself every day with this, Archana.
और लास्ट में मतलब forms of Shivas and all that.
So you all are in that divine energy. Very good. Pinky Manyar.
Ma'am, I was feeling full of energetic and full of light. No, it was very awesome experience. actually right now I'm come from all this trauma, no,
Yes,
my
yes.
father's death, and so I
Yes.
just felt all this, and I was coming out of all these things, no, and I thought that my father was giving me so much blessings to me and my family.
Awesome, Pinky ji. Pinky,
Very
Mataya.
really
Yes, yes.
very nice experience.
Thank you, Pinky.
Yes, ma'am, it was wonderful experience. I could feel some coldness in my throat chakra. बहुत ठंड जैसे freeze हो गई वैसे लग रहा था. And I could feel the white light, all the energy. And when you said कि grounding करने के लिए, I could feel कि something is going down. करके, that's it.
Okay, wow, that is also awesome. You are feeling something. That's the most important thing. And start healing your throat chakra. Okay, with this. Bhavini ji, आपको कैसा लग रहा था?
बहुत अच्छा हुआ मेरा, बहुत ही अच्छा हुआ. मुझे थ्रोट कर रही थी, ऐसा लगा मुझे फर्स्ट टाइम.
So
मतलब करती हूँ मैं, लेकिन बहुत ही मतलब कुछ भी आजू बाजू कुछ क्या चल रहा है कुछ मालूम नहीं.
वेरी गुड. So आप अभी अपने आप को हील कर सकते हो, दूसरों को भी हील कर सकते हो इसी तरीके से.
थैंक यू.
हाँ जी. Ankita, did you do the meditation? You came little bit late. Ritu has left, I think so. Ankita, could you do the? Yes, Ankita. How did you feel, Ankita?
I could do the entire meditation, like I just joined and the meditation started.
Yeah. So now with
Very nice.
okay.
It was very nice.
Thank you so much, Ankita. So when we have the angels class tomorrow, you will have more opportunity to work with the angels, Ankita. Be present on time, Ankita. And how beautiful it is to heal ourselves. You get instant awareness about your own thing. Okay?
Yes.
And then how more beautiful is it to know that we can heal others also. Some people will say, do not heal others. But what I feel that if God has given us the capacity, God has given us that quality, we should help others. And we should not intervene in their life program. But if we know that person requires that help, we should always come forward. Every donation, every charity cannot be given in money. Okay, some is given in kindness also. So we can be that kindness to the world. Awesome, guys. So I think so we have finished our class today, and next class we are going to start a new topic, and we are going to have some beautiful topic for the next month, which is called self-healing, and we all are going to do a homework of writing some qualities for us and posting a group on the group. Now I have come with a new thing that I'm going to select from this month where we are starting a new topic. I'm going to select star performer of that month, and then it would go on to star performer of the year in the academy, and that performer of the month and of the year will have some bonus from me as a commitment towards her life, nothing else, so that you all also get motivated in doing. And I want each and everyone to be a star performer. Okay, and I will not wish to repeat any star performer, but if I have no option, we have to repeat the star performer, and that performer will get a good bonus, some kind of surprise or bonus from my side. And we will have at the end of the year, I would give something to the star performers of the year. Okay, so be ready with your homework and start doing this meditation, because you have to practice on yourself first, and then only you all can heal others. So this was called the energy washing technique. Okay, everything is energy. Everything in the universe is energy. Okay, there is a sign of a big circle and the small dot. Okay, that is the amount of energy, and the small dot is matter. Okay, so that much only is the matter, remember that, and everything else is the energy. We are working on energy, we are working on a bigger part. So I want everyone to heal themselves and heal others. So we will see us in the next week, next Saturday, and with a new topic. And everyone, I request you to complete your homework and post in the group and encourage other one to do their homework. Okay, so that we all can, at the end of the class, end of, one session, which is going to end on July, one session like I've started from February. In July, I want everyone has done the scale. I want to reach there. I want you all to see your scale. Okay. I want you all to see your scale and tell me where you have reached. We will do that in July. Okay, we will do that in July. Okay. So yes. So it's a good night, and heal yourself first, and then help others to get happy, heal, and hearty. Okay. So take care, guys.